In this video, we look at a charming property offering unforgettable experience for those seeking a peaceful and rejuvenating getaway. This unique container home is built using 2 shipping containers placed at 90 degrees with a mix of stick-built construction to craft a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with an elaborate outdoor lifestyle. From the entrance lobby, there is an open concept living area with large windows that flood the space with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Off the entrance is a single-walled, fully equipped kitchen with everything you need. The kitchen has a farmhouse sink, the gorgeous under-the-counter and overhead storage cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and enough ambience with adequate daylighting to enhance function. Adjacent to the kitchen is an inviting lounge space. The airy lounge area is nicely furnished with comfortable seats, a custom coffee table, amazing house accessories, a beautiful floor rug to define the lounge area, and a gorgeous fireplace that keeps the house warm during cold weather. Next to the lounge is a dining space with custom dining table with bench seating. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows in the dining area invite plenty of natural lighting, allowing the indoors and outdoors to merge. Past the living area is a spacious game room with a foosball table. Off the game room is the first bedroom. The first bedroom is beautifully designed to be cozy and comfortable, and it features a comfy queen bed with bedside lights, a TV to watch your favorite shows, and large glass windows that open to the outdoor deck. It offers natural light and ventilation, making the room feel less industrial. The spacious master bedroom features a comfortable double bed, bedside lamps, drawers for storage, and a TV to stream your favorite shows. The master suite also leads to a private terrace, which benefits from unobstructed landscape scenery. It is served by a lavish private ensuite with dual vanities, a glass enclosed shower cubicle, enough storage spaces, a toilet, and glass window for maximum daylighting. The second bathroom next to the game room features a glass shower cubicle, double vanity, a toilet, and bathroom essentials. The house also accommodates a laundry room with a stacked washer and dryer. The interior finishes have container walls left in their raw state in selected areas to celebrate the industrial charm of the house. The floor is finished with hardwood vinyl flooring, giving it a sleek modern look. The house interior is bright and modern and is painted in light colors to create a sense of openness. The larger part of the exterior is covered with cement board siding, giving the house a more traditional look. Grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible in the rear parts of the exterior, bringing out the industrial charm of the house. The large outdoor living spaces feature an outdoor dining area, a fire pit for cold nights, and a bathtub to soak away your stress after a long trek and get you into holiday mode. The large openings create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape, and the green landscaping around the building helps to soften the industrial vibe of the house. You can check out this amazing property listed on Airbnb using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.